We don't have any extra storage space for our garage supplies. So today we're going to be reviewing my new 3-tier metal storage shelves. They come shipped to your door with everything you need to make installation as quick and easy as possible. This storage shelf doesn't require any extra tools for installation. Most of the pieces simply lock into place, so you won't have to worry about losing any bolts or screws. I started off by pushing the plastic wheel pieces into the bottom of the legs with the included hammer. Then I connected the legs and the bottom side pieces together. After that, I was able to lay one of the metal shelves onto the bottom. Then I flipped it on its side and screwed in all 4 wheels. There was a small wrench included in the box, so I used that to tighten them up. Next, I locked the top and middle side pieces securely in place, and then finished up by installing the other 2 shelves. You should be able to easily lay these shelves flat and secure in place. It does come with instructions if you find yourself struggling, but overall, this was pretty easy to install and took under a half an hour to finish. After I completed the storage shelf, I brought it outside and took it for a spin to make sure the wheels were working okay. Sure enough, the wheels rolled smoothly and made it easy to move the shelf around, even when it's loaded down with weight. Not only that, but it looks really nice too. So I put it next to my window on our porch and then stocked it full of all of our garage supplies. If you were wondering, these shelves can hold up to 330 pounds. That's 110 pounds per shelf. They also come with adjustable wheel locks so it doesn't move around. So if you need to get a little more organized, these shelves might just be for you. Please use the affiliate link in the description if you'd like to get one for yourself. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Until next time, I'm gonna go organize the rest of my garage supplies. Later.